your morning?
Yeah, actually, my morning actually, ma'am, I can say very good because two monk came my house and actually uh, we want actually I offer some fruit and yeah money also, but he told me actually I want 2 cup tea, so yes I offer and yes I help someone, so I feel very good I can say yeah.
Okay, two monks came to your house in the morning.
Yes, yes,
Okay, nice, nice. So you felt good after, serving them.
yes, yes, ma'am.
Mhm. Okay. Do you worship on a regular basis?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay. So as we are meeting for the first time, please introduce yourself. It's our first meeting, right?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please go ahead.
So, yeah, actually, my name is Lalita Jangir. I'm from Jaipur, Rajasthan. I'm a homemaker and a part-time teacher, and simultaneously, I also run a YouTube channel. And if you talk about my qualifications, so I done my B.Ed and PG diploma in computers, and my interest. So, listening audiobook and try to cultivate reading habit also these days, apart from traveling and yeah, dance also I enjoy, and I used to stitching, and that's also I am creative person, and actually yoga and meditation, that's also I enjoy. I blessed with a daughter and live in joint family. Yeah,
You are blessed.
yeah, she's 4 year old. Yeah.
Okay. You think that you have started getting up early, so now you are enjoying your life more?
Yes, ma'am. I feel. Yeah.
Okay.
That's
In what
my
terms?
real
Like,
experience. Yeah.
why do you feel you enjoy it more?
Actually, I have now more time to in morning, and yeah, after I if I finish my all work early, so that's I have a lot of work, I can say time, and yeah, I feel calm and composed for my whole day, so that's I also. Yeah.
So you are able to finish all your work early and there is some time left. So you can have some time for yourself, for your happiness. You can spend that time for things that you enjoy, right? So do you like to listen to music when you are free?
I like, ma'am, not music, I can say bhajan. Yeah.
Okay. So you like listening to bhajans when you are free.
Yes.
Okay. Hmm.
But
You
yes, and
enjoy them.
audiobook. Yeah.
Yes. And are you a movie buff?
Yes, yes. Actually,
No?
no, ma'am.
Okay. Hmm. Do you like to
No.
go out, like walking in the nature?
Yes, yes.
Mhm. Okay.
I
Uh, how do you
That's
spend that
also
free
enjoy.
time? By just learning English and reading books, or do you do something else also?
Yes, actually nowadays surrounding myself only this language. Yeah, I enjoy this language, ma'am. Yeah.
So,
First this, and second I can say I'm become independent. So that's it. And second I can say I have a daughter, so I want to atmosphere at home. So that's why also. And second I third I love actually traveling. So this language is helpful for me. Yeah.
mhm. Okay, you love
For
traveling. So tell me, what places
yes.
have you traveled in India?
Um, yes, actually, first of all, Himachal, yeah, Kullu Manali, and actually Delhi, UP, MP, and yeah, Gujarat also, and part of Rajasthan. And recently, I can say Mumbai, Goa, and Gujarat. Yeah,
Okay, which place
uh,
did you like the most?
I can say Himachal. That's
Okay,
I like most,
so you
and
loved Himachal the
recently, I can
most.
say yes,
Hmm.
yes,
So you are a hill
and
person. You like hills, mountains,
yes, yes.
right?
Actually, beach also. I recently visited actually Goa also, so that's also I enjoy.
You
Yeah,
love the beaches also. But do you like
yes,
beaches
yes,
more or hills more?
yeah. Hills more.
Hills more. Okay. Hmm.
Yes.
Okay, tell me some place where you would like to travel if you get an opportunity.
Yeah, actually,
If a genie comes to you
first,
and gives you one free vacation, where would you go and why?
eh, yeah, actually, I also want to. Actually, my husband is working on cruise ship, so he visited many countries, I can say.
Okay,
So
your husband
I
works on
also,
a cruise. So you have visited
yes,
many
yes.
countries.
I'm not.
Okay, you have
My
not
husband.
visited any country
Yes,
apart
only
from
India.
India.
Yeah.
Matlab, you have never gone abroad.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So which place would you like to go to?
Yeah, I can see many places.
But your top
Yeah.
choice.
Okay. So yeah, first I can say in India, J&K, Jammu Kashmir. Yeah.
Okay. You would like to go to Jammu
First,
Kashmir. What's your second choice?
second, yeah, actually New York and actually France, Germany, many I can say in my list.
Great, great, great.
Yes.
Okay. What time do you wake up in the morning?
Yeah, actually I drink a glass of water and go for a
Mm-hmm.
walk
I
and after go for a walk and yeah,
then.
after come back and doing little bit yoga meditation. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What
Yes.
time does your daughter go to school?
uh, nine 9 10. Yeah.
9:10.
Yes, yes.
Okay. And what get your daughter ready or she gets ready herself?
No, ma'am, I help her.
Okay.
Yeah.
You get her ready for school.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So do you drop her to school?
uh, Actually, ma'am, I'm not my father-in-law. Drop.
Okay. He drops her to school.
Yes, yes.
So when she leaves for school, you are free and your household work is finished.
Actually, no, ma'am. Not I can say now I done half and now I can say lunchtime and yeah, another also. So
Hmm.
yeah,
Okay.
and
But you are free between 11 and 1. Is it so?
both also and yeah, and yeah, mopping I can say upstairs and downstairs both. So that's also and
Hmm.
yes,
So you can say, I wash my clothes as well as I do the mopping upstairs and
yes, yes.
downstairs. What else? Do you constantly keep working between 11 and 1 or you are free also?
Yes, ma'am. I think half hour I'm free.
Okay.
Now
So
I
you
can say
get
yeah.
about half an hour for yourself.
Yes, yes.
Hmm. Okay. Then you make lunch for everyone. What time does your daughter come back?
Yeah, 1:10.
Okay. Who brings her family? Who picks her up from the school?
Yeah, my father-in-law. Yeah.
Your father-in-law goes and picks her up from school.
Yes,
Is it
yes.
far
Yeah.
off?
No, ma'am. Only 5
5 minutes
walking
walking
distance. Yeah.
distance?
Yes, yes.
So you never go to pick her up?
Sometime my father-in-law not here, so that time I also pick.
Okay, when
Yeah.
he's not available, then you go and pick her up.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay. When she comes back, you serve lunch to everyone.
Yes, yes.
Then are you free by 2:30 or 3?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what do you do after 3 o'clock?
Yeah, actually I also work on my uh, grammar portion, so that I write down something and yeah, that's I do. And sometimes help chat GPT using the chat GPT also where I'm making mistake. I know I make many mistake in my grammar. Yeah.
No, 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 no. Don't worry. Don't worry about that. Okay, you use ChatGPT. How do you use ChatGPT for grammar correction?
Actually, I write down. Yes, I have. Ma'am, I can say the journal habit also, journal
Mm-hmm.
and actually gratitude habit also. So I write down in morning time and yeah, journal I can say in night time and morning time I can say gratitude list. So that's I write down and yeah, how's my day? So I write down and how make please find my mistakes. So that's also, yeah.
Okay, when ChatGPT gives you the correct sentences, what do you do with them? Do you repeat the sentences which are correct?
Yes, ma'am. I try to,
Okay, give me
but
a minute.
in a,
While
yeah.
speaking English, what problems do you face while speaking English?
Actually, sometimes I express myself, so that time I zone out.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's
But why do you feel nervous? There must be some reason.
actually when today I'm many times zone out also. Yeah, feel nervous. I can say.
Okay. Hmm. Does your husband speak English well?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you speak on audio calls also? There are audio calls
Yes,
applications
yes,
as well. So do you speak
yes, ma'am.
practice? You do speaking
Yes,
practice
ma'am.
with these applications? Which application do you
Yes,
use?
ma'am. Actually, first I can say earlier I used Peer Up, and now I can say I SC Fluency. That's also a
So,
subscription. Yeah.
how long have you been learning English?
Learning English, I can say 3 months for I can say conversation, and
Okay.
yeah, my channel
And
I can
for
say
how long have you been doing audio calls for practicing English?
6 7 months
Okay.
because yes, yes,
Mm,
and
okay.
I also habitual of
Mhm.
I indulge myself this language, so I'm not feeling
Okay.
yeah.
That's why you don't feel alone because you have, you have kept yourself busy.
Yes, yes.
Mhm. If you had, if you had been sitting idle, then it would have haunted you too much. Yes.
Actually, how can I express myself effectively? Yeah.
Okay, how can you express yourself effectively? For that, you will
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
train your mouth muscles. You consume a lot of English content, but you speak less. How long do you speak on audio calls every day?
Every day I can say I try to I can say half hour, sometime 1 hour. Yeah.
Okay. Are you consuming enough content or you just speak on audio calls? Do you watch English videos, 5, 6 videos every day?
Not 5, 6, I can say 1 and 2.
No, no,
Yes.
no. You should watch at least 5 to 6 videos every day. You should spend that much time. Your husband is also not here, so you have a lot of time and you wake up so early. So I think you should consume more content and then it's okay to speak for half an hour. And I think you are making progress. It's been just 3 months. That's why it's taking time and it's a whole new language. So learning languages takes time. Do you think you have improved
Yes.
in this in these 3 months?
Yes, ma'am.
That means you are on the right path. You are on the right track. You are doing everything that you need. So it
Yes.
just takes more time. Anything else that you want to ask?
Yes. Sometime I feel I'm drawn out, so that also.
Okay. Sometimes you feel that you zoned out.
Yes, yes.
See, if you keep practicing more and more, if you speak to yourself, speak in front of the mirror, and you do the audio calls and video conversations every day, then it will take some time, but it will stop happening. So you will improve with time. It will take some time. That's the only thing. It happens to new English speakers.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, ma'am, I also do actually cultivate reading habit also, and I told small story my daughter also. So that's I also try to write down,
Mhm.
and yeah, that's also
That's also
very
great.
ritual.
Whenever you teach her something, just correct it with ChatGPT first because she can also learn wrong sentences. So it's very important to tell her correct sentences, right? It's good for you as well as she will not learn anything wrong because children learn very fast. So if you sometimes tell
Yes.
her a few sentences and repeat them a lot, then she would understand you, she would learn those sentences, she will pick them up very quickly. So just be sure that the sentences are correct first. Okay,
Actually, ma'am, I told the textbook. So that's a story I told my daughter, not ChatGPT. Yeah,
that's good, that's
I
good.
for myself I am using ChatGPT. Yeah.
Okay, okay, that's great.
Yes.
So like I am saying, if you speak a few sentences with her on a day to day basis, like if you
Okay.
are saying give me the notebook, go to the room,
Yes.
go and
Yes.
study. So if you use a few sentences, first check if they are correct or not, then start speaking those sentences with her. That will enhance your vocabulary and her vocabulary both, right? Take a few
Yes.
nice
Yes.
sentences to speak with your daughter. You can say to ChatGPT, give me few, give me 5 to 6 sentences that I can teach my daughter. So it will give you 5 6 new sentences, and you can then start speaking those sentences with your daughter. So you will both learn those new sentences. Okay,
Yeah. What is the most difficult part of learning English? How do you overcome it?
that you must be telling me. What do you think it is? What do you think is the most difficult for you?
Actually, pronunciation. Yeah.
Pronunciation is difficult, as well as facing people who speak English well.
Yes.
That is the most
Yes,
difficult
ma'am.
thing.
That also. Yeah.
That is the most difficult when you are speaking in front of a person who is already a good speaker, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That is the most
Yes.
difficult, but it should not be that difficult, because stop thinking that the other person who is speaking English well is superior to you. Think that you both are equal. So just
Yes.
stop keeping those people on a pedestal. That will help you. Okay, Lalita,
Yeah.
actually, I have another session in 5 minutes. So let's
Okay.
wrap up
Okay.
this meeting. It was so lovely connecting with you. I really enjoyed this session.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Give me your precious time. I'm also grateful for that. Yeah.
You're welcome. And okay, then have a great day. Bye bye. Take
Okay. Okay,
care.
ma'am. Bye.